Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today it's how to remove the dispenser drawer on a Miele washing machine or a Miele washing machine. This is so you can take it out, give it a good old clean, get rid of any gunk or gunge. So you don't want all this gunk and gunge going onto your clothes. This is my Miele washing machine here. Meow meow, sounding like a pussycat now. And there's a link above now about how to install a brand new washing machine. Now what you do is you just gently pull the dispensing drawer out until it reaches a point where it won't go any further. Then there's this red button here. Just push that down and then carry on pulling the dispenser drawer out, and then that releases it. Now this one is actually in pretty good condition. So here's one from a previous washing machine which is covered in mould and gunk and washing powder residue. So just take your wife's toothbrush, give that a good old clean with some detergent, and just make sure that's all nice and clean on the back and on the front. Whilst I'm cleaning this, there's a link above now about various how-to guides on all sorts of different models and makes of washing machines. There's some really useful information in there. Now before we put the detergent drawer back in, we can give the inside of this a clean. So just take a cloth and again with some detergent, give that a good old clean. Don't be tempted to use your toothbrush, because if you drop that down the hole it could end up inside the washing machine and get stuck. Okay, once you've cleaned your dispensing drawer, just slide it into the grooves and then push it all the way home. Meow meow. And then you're safe in the knowledge that your clothes will come out super fresh and super clean. And don't forget to put your wife's toothbrush back and hope she doesn't notice. If you would like more videos on how to save you time and money, then please press the subscribe button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, everyone. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.